morning.
Good morning.
Day 4 of the trek, and we are off to Valley of Flowers.
Yes. ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਦਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ
Sab Vaiguru Ji Ki Fateh. Hey, it's day 4 of the trek, and today we do the Valley of Flowers. It's been raining all night. The rivers seem to be full, and it's pretty cold. Predicted to be 5 degrees in the valley there. So we are up with all the layers and started walking at 7 a.m. Had a decent breakfast. There are no shops, so we have to carry everything with us, including a lot of water for the day. Look at this sight. We see a lot more waterfalls today. The trail seems to be decent, not very hard. It's about 4 kilometers inside, 4.5 kilometers till the valley, and then there's another 3 kilometers length of the Valley of Flowers. So it's a total of 7.5 going, 7.5 coming, 15 kilometers today. About 2 kilometers out of that while going is pretty steep uphill. The rest seems to be an easy climb. Let's see what the day brings. We are creating new fashion statements today. Here is Kalpana with her rain sari. Kalpana, wow, looks amazing.
Thank you.
Pretty narrow trail. Just a collection of stones, no cement. So it's quite rough. Okay, so we enter the Valley of Flowers from here.
Woohoo!
सब आ गए, सब आ गए, सब आ गए. येलो वाले भी आ गए, रेड वाले भी आ गए.
येलो एंड पिंक वाले भी आ गए.
Yes. First of the many streams that we have to cross today. Beautiful, going through running clear water.
One at a time.
Ground is quite wet and slippery as we are going higher. Lovely rocky path, steep and loose stones. Amazing, amazing. Beautiful. चंद्रिका कुछ दिखा क्या?
ट्री क्रीपर, वो ट्री पे ऐसे ऐसे चढ़ता है फिर चढ़ता है।
हाँ
Yes.
We finished the uphill section and now we're starting to go down into the valley. A bit steep, but good big steps. And we are seeing some flowers emerge, but looking forward to what awaits us in the valley. Our guide has just informed us that since it's been raining incessantly since last night, we may have to cut this short at some point as the rivers can start to swell at points. Already seeing a lot of water come down to where we have to cross, and it should not get to a point where it sweeps us away. The rest of the party follows us, and that's another part of the glacier. There's snow. You can see the valley on the opposite side.
आगे आगे।
Awesome.
Yippee!
It's 10:30, 10:45. 4 hours. We made it to the top. Had a nice, lunch, early lunch, and we've set out again to follow the trail up into the valley. 4.5 kilometers to get to the base point of the start of the valley is a bit hard to get to. But the magic starts from there. The magic of this valley. And you have to make that effort to come ahead and really explore it right till the end. That's another 3 kilometers ahead, and this is what you see. This is the second part of the valley, or the Valley of Flowers. As you cross the river and you get to the other side, and that's the end of the trail. There you see the glacier. That's the end of the trail. And we are almost back. Thankfully the weather's cleared up a little bit, and that's Gangaria. That's where we have to go. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. And we are at the end of the trail. What a beautiful, beautiful hike to Valley of the Flowers. And we went almost till the end of the trail. My partner in crime, Chandrika, avid birder, and we had an amazing time seeing some lovely birds. We'll try to add some pictures also in the video. Good morning. It's day 5 of the trek, and we started off from Gangaria, going back down to Gobind Ghat. 7 a.m. in the morning, crisp. Today it's dry, thankfully. We see some snow-capped mountains on the other side. As soon as I clear this village, I'll show that to you. But fantastic stay, 3 nights at Gangaria and visiting different places from here. More on the route. Yep, as the weather clears off, we can see the glaciers showing up there. So we've just made it down 10 kilometers to Pulna. Took us about 3.5 hours. Very easy walk. And we've just reached the taxi stand of Pulna. This is where we get a jeep to go and get down to Gobind Ghat. are entering the village of Mana. Mana is supposed to be the last village before Tibet starts. But it's also a very historical village. Here's the entrance. Ghantakaran Mahavir Temple. Temple of the local land. Temple of the Lord of the Land.
इसमें पूरा आता है, बट इन द समर टाइम वो जहाँ पर हम लोग जाएंगे अभी वहाँ पर रॉक के नीचे चले जाते हैं. रॉक के नीचे
चली जाती
चले
है.
जाते हैं, लाइक डिसअपियर.
So confluence of Saraswati and Alaknanda.
अलकनंदा कहाँ से आ रही है?
वो उधर से देयर इज अ ग्लेशियर कॉल्ड अलकापुरी ग्लेशियर. Our first stop would be Ganesh Gufa, and Ganesh Gufa is a place where the 18th Quran was written. It was narrated by Ved Vyas ji, correct, and written by Ganesh ji with his tusk.
Tusk. The one he broke.
This is the Ganesh Gufa. That's a small story.
Ved Vyas Gufa. This is where the river disappears. So this is the pathway to heaven, as they call, that the Pandavas followed when they reached this village and then went on to go to heaven. I didn't. The guy is asking, "आप foreign हो first he asked him." The guy says from. No. Then he asks, कहाँ से है? He said, I'm from Bombay. आप बॉलीवुड में हो, पिक्चर में काम करते हो. And departure day from Auli, leaving now. This beautiful mountain, going back to Rishikesh today. What an amazing time we had on this trek. These mountains, this fresh air, and lovely company. It's been an amazing trek.
Trekking, keep on working out in your bodies. Live fit, live healthy. That's my, way of looking at life.
ऑल सेड एंड डन आप नहीं आ रहे हो साथ में ऐसा बुरा
चलो जी
बट एनीवे या
चलो